decided to get him a track barrow there today, so I think they're impressed with that.
Look at him, he's off, he is, he's off!
Crikey, it's a cold one this morning out here. Oh, been all windscreen were frozen this morning. Lads are just getting loaded up here. And I hope my video's right way around this time. I didn't realise the new camera I was doing it the other way, and when you turn this screen that I can see myself on, it changes the orientation. So hopefully it's okay. Lads are just about to set off now. They're just going to a little job over in Leeds where we've done some work before. Set of double gates, 5 panels and a couple of pails to change that the client's damaged with a fork truck or digger or something. So yeah, as I was just saying, then Justin and Carl's just going to go to that job that they finished last week. Just a couple of little snags. This time of year, flipping like a tarmac patching that we use, our bags, it don't go off correctly. It's just a bit cold, so they're just going to try and neaten that up, and Gate just wants a little catch welding on, that's all.
There you go, perfect. Open, close, no struggle. Perfect.
And I've got a couple of jobs over. I've got one in Keighley, automated gate I believe, and a school in Bingley to go and look at. So yeah, we'll carry on as we are and we'll catch you later. That was different, just at this little school here at Bingley, Metal Park School, and goes in. I'm waiting for business, school business woman comes out and meets me. Oh, we'll go through school, we're having a concert.
We're the School of Rock.
People playing instruments and everything on stage, and all kids sat there, hundreds of them. Had to walk through the middle of them, which were very, very strange, but anyway. So yeah, it's just a little job that's actually down that car park down there. Some timber fencing that they want replacing with some more timber, but I've suggested instead of timber it'll be an absolute fortune, so all that'll be planed with them being new ones. Go for roll top, so they might do. So anyway, I've got to give them 2 quotes, so we'll see how we get on with that one.
So happy Tuesday morning here at Airedale. All of us are on site. Carl's just at yard, bit of welding. It's going over this job. We're over at Tiffin Sandwich over on your industrial estate. So we're going to tackle the yard bit this morning. I'm going to be going to there, and this is the bit. And look how steep that is. Luckily enough, the weather's chose our favour, so the ground will be nice and hard. So hopefully we won't be slipping all the way downhill. So what's going to be happening is we're going to be coming off this. This is 2.4, it's actually 2 metre what's going in. 2 metre, all the way to end, all the way downhill. And you see where that path is, we're following the inside of that path all the way along. Mark's just showing lads now, this is a job that I came out and marked up. And we've got a little 2.5 tonne digger just to crack on. Anything in way, pull it out of the way. But it's going a fair distance. It's going basically all the way to the other side where that palisade is. And then we've got, okay. Luckily enough, that's the steepest bit there where we're going down today. Once that's out of the way, nice straight line all the way down there. And then the other side's not as steep at all. We'll go have a look now. Snowing it is. Well, it was this morning. And then apparently it's meant to start snowing at 1 o'clock as well. But to be honest, when you're on jobs like this, especially on hills, the solid ground kind of does you a favour. You should have seen it. Me and Matt came last week and it were an absolute bog. Like, I've come this morning to get chippings to put down so we can actually work, and obviously as you can see, ground's absolutely frozen, so that's got us out of that one. And then when we come to this other side, where you see that gap in the fence, we're actually adding a couple of pails from 2.4i, and then we're going to be following it down all the way. Initially we did price for the top as well, but like I said, all that down there is their land, so I'd do the same. I'd take every inch I can. So this side here is not half as steep. It's a bit longer, I believe I'll give 30 metres for this. It might be a touch more. You can actually walk down this side, so it's not too bad at all. The other side's absolutely crazy. And then, as you can see, this is walkable, this side. Nice. And get down bottom, get up to the top. Lads are just going downhill now. It's a steep one, it is. You see a bit of a balancing act. And about a bay down. It's going in though, it's going in. Chances are we'll get to the bottom of the hill today, hopefully not by falling. But yeah, we'll get out of here.
These little punks here building a doorway, look.
There's only one ponce in this yard.
Said punks.
Oh, did you? My bad.
I'm definite ponce, you're punk. Yeah, it's coming on, they're just going to sort his shelves out soon. He's already brought some bits of steel. Just going to get some shelving up there with plenty of room. I think we're going to get a shutter on this opening actually. I can't go near that fire, it absolutely chokes me. I've got a bad chest as it is. Probably put a shelves there and then that steel can go all the way down there. Nice brand new skip. See how long that takes to get filled. It's gone up and all. 270 quid now, and that's cheap to me. But yeah, we're doing this one tomorrow. All this PALISADE here. I've ordered loads of steel so I can get on making some stuff and some self-colour panels. And me and Carlos here, we're just gonna go get some welding gas and some welding wire, I think. Just been doing boring stuff in the office all morning. The lads are all out on site actually. Baggy and Jamie are at top at M606 motorway at Yorway Estate there, tiffin sandwiches. They're getting fed well there, all free sandwiches, tea, coffee, many sandwiches they want. They make thousands of them there for apparently on the airlines and that actually, which I didn't know. And I think supermarkets and stuff. So yeah, they're getting well fed up there and they're cracking on well. I've just actually swapped them. I got a digger but we didn't end up needing it. I just cleared a little bit for him yesterday morning, you might have seen, and then decided to get him a track barrow there today, so I think they're impressed with that.
You can stand on sides there because you can see where paint's worn off. I mean, that ain't yard, you wouldn't even notice it were there, would you, Baggy? Do it again. Do it again, Baggy.
I might even buy one actually, if it's as good as they think it's going to be. So yeah, might be another good addition, which will just go with another little JCB. It'll go with his little digger. We'll go through doorways then, you see. So yeah, we've just had some panels delivered, some self-colour panels this morning, so we can make a couple of gates and stuff like that, some standard stock gates. And Carl's been on with adjusting his shelving. I think there's some steels coming tomorrow, so he'll get it all on his shelves there. He's going to build some more here. This is going to be like the steel store. Bigger lengths can go across back, and then he's going to cut them there. And then he's going to make a bit of a shelf store for panels that'll just slide in here. So yeah, all in all it's looking good. I think I've ordered, we were going to make some doors for this opening. We're in two minds whether to just leave it open or get some doors. It's like in summer it'll be fine, but obviously at the minute it's freezing. So I think I'm going to get a roller shutter. We were going to make some doors, but I've had a few prices. Some are ridiculous. One wanted about £4 grand, the idiot, and then I've managed to get a price off somebody. I think it was just over 1,300 quid fitted, which to me seems quite reasonable. By the time we bought stuff, made a frame, cladded it, fitted it, it's going to be that anyway. It says he started making a door there, which is going to be on this doorway here that he's made. Here. So that's going to go in there fine, and he'll clad the rest of that. So yeah, it's coming on. He's got his little table. Probably make another little table just to put lengths on. and then he'll get like a bench set up, I think, down there just to cut stuff on. We've got a little pillar drill, but we are going to get a better one. We've actually got a decent magnet drill as well, to be fair, so probably cope with now and then. He'll just get a couple. He's got some more bits to bring in yet. Then we'll get some other bits as we go along. So yeah, all in all, it's coming on. I think we're going to have a full day in there tomorrow, so I'll probably get his shelves done and whatnot, and he'll just try to get set up most as he can, and then he'll probably start making a few next week. So yeah, good, and I'll leave it at that for now, and I'm just on my way to see a little job down the road, a little repair job we did probably 3 or 4 years ago now. We did all fencing round the garden, timber fence and some timber gates, and I think them high winds we had the other week, literally winds took the gates and took them off at hinges and snapped the post or something. So I'm just going to go quickly see that, and then I'll see how I get on. Yeah, so I'll catch you later.
So here we are at Tiffin Sandwiches. I've left the lads to it today. Let's see how they're getting on. Look at that, they've got a little carry all the tools down there with this. Mark's on about getting one. This is just a hired one, this. And they've got a bit in. I think we got 2 bays in yesterday. Not looking bad. So this is what we did yesterday. We went all the way down here, top to bottom, and then lads have got all the way down here today. So they've still got yet to free pale it all and top rail it. So they've still got a few hours left yet. They ain't got much left, to be honest. They're going all the way down here. Not bad at all.
We've got Andrew on job today. Look, Baggy's brother giving us hand, loading out. They've already loaded all this out here. I'll just turn it round. I think they're going round now, but yeah, they've done well actually. A couple of days, posted all downhill, which is obviously not easy, and then they've gone all the way along there. I don't know how much you can see. They've gone all the way down there, sort of on there. There's about another 100 and odd metres to do next week on there, and then back uphill. But yeah, it's looking good. This will all be paled today. So yeah, as you can see, they've loaded out that. They'll come down here today, and then all this down here. I know it looks a bit in and out and backwards and forwards, but there's no sort of set line here. This isn't actually an official footpath, it's just one that people use to cut through. So I've just said, you know, go wherever you need to go, sort of thing. But I mean, it don't look bad now, it's all hard, but when we come last week, you couldn't hardly walk on it with that boggy. It were up to your knees. It's not bad at the minute, but it's best time to do it. 100 and odd metres to go. A little bit to go. This will be fun and games getting down here.
So Baggy's here. Got a little machine carrying hot tools, look at that. No breaking your back anymore. Is it pretty good then, Baggy? Pretty good? No issues with that, is there? We're just going to put tools on back of ours now, and me and Carl are going to get back to the yard. You stand on it. Look at him. He's off, he is. He's off. Alright, a little bit of kit that. Nice. We'll get these on back of ours and we'll get out of here.
But yeah, we've just had a load of steel delivered until there. Don't look much, but it's 1,500 quid there. Crazy, isn't it? But we better start getting that steel in, Carl, thinking about it.
Yeah, well, I was nearly finished with that. Get that machine and then we can start.
Yeah, so we've got plenty of steel to get in. All them. A few gates to go at. So yeah, we're getting there. So, good morning. It's Friday morning now. Cat's that's going mental. I'm just at home, I'm just waiting to get picked up. Actually, I'm going networking in Leeds, which I've filmed several times before, so I won't bother getting any footage of that today. Justin's not well, bless him, but he's coming because I'm networking and Jamie's off today. He's moving house. Good luck with that, Jamie. So yeah, I'm just waiting for Carl to pick me up. He's going to take me into Leeds, and then he's going to come back and get yard sorted with all the steel. Baggy and Justin are just going back to Grove House today, actually. Ryan knocked the wall down yesterday, so they're going to fence it off with a little gate. So yeah, I'm just going to sign out here. Like I say, I'm going networking. So if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, and why not subscribe while you're down here, and we'll see you next week. Thank you.